Hi, this is Pankuri and you're watching me on Movie Talkies. If there's one film that every thriller lover has been waiting for since the past 4 years, it's the second edition of Kahani, and now the wait is finally over as Vidya Balan and Sujoy Ghosh's Kahani 2, Durga Rani Singh releases today. But is it as enthralling as the original or not? I will let you know now. The film revolves around a single mother, Vidya Sinha, whose paralyzed daughter Minnie goes missing one day. वो उसके किडनैपर से मिलने जा ही रही होती है कि उसका एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है एंड शी स्लिप्स इनटू कोमा. देन एंटर्स सब इंस्पेक्टर इंद्रजीत सिंह टू इन्वेस्टिगेट द एक्सीडेंट केस. लेकिन जब वो कोमा में पड़ी उस औरत को देखते हैं तो ही गेट्स द शॉक ऑफ हिज लाइफ एज ही नोज हर एज दुर्गा रानी सिंह, हु इज वांटेड इन अ किडनैपिंग एंड मर्डर केस. Who has kidnapped Vidya's daughter and why? Who is Durga Rani Singh and what's her connection with Vidya? How Indrajit knows Durga Rani Singh? Well, to know all this, you'll have to watch the film. Vidya Balan, who's playing Vidya and Durga, is in top form and back to doing what she is best at, infusing life into her characters and making the audiences feel for them. Vidya is a natural और वो अपने दोनों ही characters को इतना believable बना देती है that you can't help but root for her. While her desperation as the harrowed single mother will make your heart go out to her, her strong-willed Durga Rani Singh will make you believe in her cause. विद्या का नो मेकअप लुक उनके कैरेक्टर्स को और रिलेटेबल बना देता है और आपको लगता है जैसे फिल्म में आप रियल लाइफ कैरेक्टर्स को ही देख रहे हैं. She has carried this film on her shoulders and our industry is very lucky to have an actor of her caliber. Arjun Rampal has played the dishy and dapper cop Indrajit and he has given a power-packed performance. He has upped his acting game और इस फिल्म से वो एक अलग ही लेवल में पहुंच गए हैं. He is very spontaneous and natural on screen. Arjun's character shines all through and he stands tall बावजूद इसके कि इस फिल्म में एक strong female protagonist है around whom the whole plot revolves. Arjun is the hero of this movie and his detractors who used to say that he can't act and he's just a furniture should watch this film and then eat their hearts out. Jugal Hansraj has played the antagonist and he pleasantly surprises you with his act. He fits his role perfectly and has acted very well. उनके कैरेक्टर को देखकर आपको रियलाइज होता है कि अच्छे दिखने वाले खानदानी लोग भी विलन हो सकते हैं. It's sheer delight to watch child artist Naisha Khanna play Vidya's daughter Minnie. She is very cute and you would heavily sympathize with her character after knowing her story. Amba Sayal is creepy as the evil grandmother और उन्होंने इतनी बेहतरीन एक्टिंग की है कि उनके कैरेक्टर से आपको नफरत हो जाएगी. तोता रॉय चौधरी ने विद्या के बॉयफ्रेंड अरुण का रोल प्ले किया है and he is good in his role. The rest of the supporting cast too has done a decent job. Now let's talk about the movie. The film's first half will leave you completely spellbound. The screenplay is flawless and the way the story unfolds keeps you hooked. एक सेकंड के लिए भी आपका ध्यान नहीं भटकता and it keeps you on the edge of your seat. ये कहना गलत नहीं होगा कि इस साल की सारी फिल्म्स में ये सबसे बेहतरीन फर्स्ट हाफ था. However, the film starts going downhill in the second half. Predictability is the biggest killer of a thriller and this movie becomes too banal in the second half. इंटरवल के बाद ये फिल्म इतनी क्लीशेड हो जाती है कि आपको ज्यादा दिमाग नहीं लगाना पड़ता कि आगे क्या होगा. Unlike कहानी जिसमें एंड में एक अनएक्सपेक्टेड ट्विस्ट दिखाया गया था, here everything is out and open. अगर विद्या और इंद्रजीत के पास्ट के बारे में एकदम लास्ट में पता चलता तो ये फिल्म और इंटरेस्टिंग हो जाती, लेकिन आपको वो पहले ही बता दिया जाता है. Kahani 2 is not a whodunit but why done it and sadly it's not as thrilling as Kahani. That said, Sujoy's film has a lot of authenticity and he has shot it very well. Film real life locations में shoot की गई है and Sujoy takes you into his dark and murky world with ease. Background score is excellent, dialogues are very good and the cinematography is amazing. Kahani 2 is not as shocking as Kahani but it's definitely worth a watch because of its slick first half and the power-packed performances delivered by its lead cast. I give this film a rating of 3.5 stars. So that's all I have for you this weekend. I'll catch you next time with something new and something fresh. Till then, stay tuned to Movie Talkies and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.